Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cat dressed as a unicorn. Very cute. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. And let's start. Grab your marker or pencil, depending on what you're using today. And I'm going to draw an oval. This is going to be the head of our cat. Something like this, that would be very cute. Now let's add the ears. So I'm adding like 2 ears. 1, 2. Let's add the inner ear. Here we go. As I mentioned, it's going to be unicorn, so we want to add that horn right here. And divide it like this. That's cute. Now my cat will be super happy, and I'm gonna draw the eyes closed, but if you want you can do one eye open, one eye closed. Like, you can play with it and decide how you like it. Now I'm gonna add like a heart for the nose. And cute smile, and we can even add like a nice tongue here. That's cute. Because later on I'm gonna add like an ice cream. So cat is excited to try it. That's nice. Now it's time to add the paws. So I'm gonna do it like an arch. Now 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna do something similar here. So 1, 2, 3. That's good. Now let's draw the ice cream itself. So from here, let's first maybe decide how big we want it. I want mine like probably till here. So now I'm gonna bring a line here and then to the other side. So like this. Here we go. And now on this side, I want it maybe a little bit farther, so I want it here. And if it's not like straight or perfect, don't worry about it. Like, it can be any shape. So now I'm gonna add like a line here. That's good. And as I mentioned before, it's cat dressed as a unicorn, so we need like a colorful tail, right? So from here, I'm gonna add like a wavy line. Now I'm gonna bring the line like this, and now I'm just gonna kind of separate it in pieces. That's good. That's beautiful. Very nice. We can add a little bit more character. So I'm gonna here like add like this. We can add eyebrows. Here we go. And my cat is done. So now the next step, I'm gonna color it. And how I'm gonna color it, I'm gonna grab like a very light color. It's kind of between yellow and orange, but you can use any color you want. And I'm gonna color the ears. Here we go. Now I'm gonna grab like a nice pink, and I'm gonna add the cheeks here. The next thing, I'm gonna grab a brighter pink, and I'm gonna add cute inner ear. I can color the mouth here. So cute. And I'm gonna color the nose like with, actually I want this middle tone pink, but you can do it like any color. There is no right or wrong. Now I'm gonna color the cone itself, and for this one I'm gonna grab a beautiful orange. Let's see, I want this one, I think. That's good. Now I'm gonna go back to the same tone I was using here. I'm gonna color the paws here. Very nice. Now decide how you want it. You can just color it orange or brown, like, or yellow, any color you want. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use a few different colors. So I'm starting with yellow. Then in the middle I'm gonna use like light orange. That's good. Now, as I said, I'm gonna use that light orange. Now I can go back to yellow and color it a little bit on top of like orange. What it does, it just blends the colors nicely together. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go and have this like brighter orange. And the last one I'm gonna use like brown. Perfect, that's great. Now I'm gonna grab the orange, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw like lines. So first I'm gonna add lines like this, like diagonal lines. I don't like this brown here, I think, so I'm gonna color it all the way orange. I think it's gonna be better, like with my color combination, but think how you want it. Now that's perfect. So the next thing, let's color the horn, and you can use any colors you want. I'm gonna grab like a nice happy pink. Beautiful. Now the next one, the orange. Nice. And I'm gonna do the top color yellow. But again, you can use any combination. Now I'm coloring the tail. I'm gonna use similar tones, so I'm using yellow, pink. We're gonna do the last one. I want to do something different, so I'm gonna use purple. Beautiful, so cute. Now you can be done at this time, or we can add a little bit of background. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have purple here, so now I'm gonna just draw like an oval here, and I'm gonna color it purple. And from here you can add like any stars, hearts, circles, triangles, stripes, lines, so you name it. You can do anything you want with the background. Don't just color it one color. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add like a few colors there. So I'm gonna add like a cute like circle here with this stone, maybe one small here and one here. That's good. Now I'm gonna grab maybe this purple. I'm gonna go and use the same color. I'm gonna color like add another tone here. So pretty much I'm using, what I'm doing is I'm using like colorful dots. Now why don't I use the pink that goes here? So I think I'm gonna do one big one here. That's cute. Now maybe I should use some yellow. the last one, I think I'm gonna use beautiful orange. Very cute. And my cat slash unicorn, you can think of any, maybe it's more like unicorn in your case or more like cat, is done. Guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.